Hello, I am Rishikesh. Welcome back for learning new something about the AWS Cloud Practitioner. Firstly, EFS Elastic File System. Amazon Elastic File System is a fully managed scalable network file storage service that provides POSIX component file system accessible from multiple EC2 instances at the same time. Unlike block storage, which attached to one instance at a time, EFS behave like a shared drive over NFS protocol. It automatically scales capacity as a file are added or removed, eliminated the need for provisioning. EFS is designed for high availability across multiple availability zone, making it a fault tolerant. It support encryptions at rest and in transit, and it offer different performance and throughout full modern to meet varying workload. Key point: shared storage across many EC2 instance, auto scaling, no need to specify size, support POSIX permission, and directories, regional service with AG level mount target, encryption and lifecycle management supported. EBS versus EFS. Both EBS Elastic Block Store and EFS Elastic File System provides a present storage, but they serve very different needs. EBS is a block level storage similar to hard drive, which is attached to a single EC2 instance. It provides a low latency and predictable performance, which is perfect for a database boot volumes and transactional workload. On the other hand, EFS is a network file system that can be mounted simultaneously by multiple EC2 instances, making it ideal for shared file access, web content, and containerized workload. Comparison point: EBS block storage single instance use predictable low latency supports snapshot. EFS shared file storage multi instance access scales automatically. NFS based use cases: EBS for a database OS disk, if EFS for the shared file and collaboration. EFS if infrequent access. EFS-IA is a optimized storage class within EFS designed for files that are not accessed frequently. While it offers the same performance, durability, and availability as a standard EFS, the storage cost is significantly lower with a small per access fee. When files are retrieved, lifecycle management policy can automatically transition file from standard storage to IA after a specified period of inactivity, helping organization optimize cost without manual intervention. Highlight: lower storage cost for a rarely accessible file, automatically transition via lifecycle policy, same durability and availability as a standard EFS. Transparent access application C2, no difference. Shared responsibility model for EC2 storage. AWS follow a shared responsibility model where both AWS and the customer have a specified role in a securing storage. AWS is responsible for security for the of the cloud, including the infrastructure, hardware, networking, and replications that keep services like EBS, EFS, and FSX durable and available. Customer, however, are responsible for security in the cloud, meaning they must configure encryption, IAM, policy access permissions, and backup strategies. For example, AWS ensures that EBS snapshots are replicated ac- across availability zone, but customer must decide whether the encrypt the data, who can access it, and how long to retain backup responsibilities. AWS physical infrastructure service availability underlining replications, customer data, security access control, backup policy, and companies management. AWS FSX overview. Amazon FSX is a family of fully managed specialized file systems that provides native comparability with a popular enterprise and high performance storage system. Instead of building file server manually on EC2, FSX offer ready to use a solution optimized for a particular workload. Example include FSX for Windows file server, which deliver SMB and TFS features, and FSX for the Lustre, which deliver extreme throughput for HPC and ML uses case. FX is integrated with AWS services support automatic backup and scalable without having admin overhead. Amazon FSX for Windows File Server. FSX for Windows File Server provides a fully managed native Windows file system that support SMB protocol and NTFS features. It integrated directly with the Microsoft Active Directory, making it ideal for a lift and shift workload that depends on a Windows authorization and ACLs. The service supports advanced features like a shadow copy for point-in-time recovery, data duplications for a cost optimization, and automatic daily backup integrated with AWS backup. It is commonly used for enterprise file shared user directories and applications that require Windows native file system. Key features: full NTFS semantics, SMB SSMB access, active directory integration for authentication, data duplications, and shadow copies, automatic and no on-demand backup. Amazon FSX listers. FSX listers is designed for the high-performance computing, big data analytics, and machine learning workload. It provides a massive parallel distributed file system that support very high throughput and low latency access to files. A unique features is its integration with the Amazon S3, which allow S3 object to be transparently presented as a file in a This enable faster processing of large datasets stored in S3 without manual transfer. Result can also be written back to S3 for durable storage. Key benefits: high throughput and low latency file access, parallel access by thousands of computer nodes, seamless integration with the Amazon S, optimized for HPC/ML media rendering. EC2 Instant Storage Summary. EC2 Instant Store is a ephemeral block storage that is physical attached to the host machine running an EC2 instance. It provides extremely fast storage, but data is lost if the instance stops, terminates or fails. Because it's become a no additional cost beyond the EC2 instance itself. It is ideal for a temporary workload like caches, scratches, space, and buffers. However, it is unsuitable for critical data unless combined with the replication to parasite storage like EBS or S3. Summary point: very fast, ephemeral local storage, data lost on stop terminate, no separate cost, include an instance pricing based for temporary no critical workload. Thank you so much for this video.